Hi Scorpio, welcome to the tarot. I hope you're doing very well. If you're new, you're welcome here. If you're returning, welcome back. Spirit, help me get clear and precise messages, block interferences and negativity, return it to where it belongs. Thank you so much. There's a lot of Leo and Sag fire energy out here. We have Uranus, Aquarius, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag, heavy on the Aries, Virgo. Jealousy, authenticity, trap, native narrative, and transformation with the moon and the purse. You've probably watched a lot of people move out of jealousy and shoot themselves in the foot. You could have chosen to move in an authentic way, get back to yourself. It looks like you would rather be by yourself than be around a bunch of shady, snake-like, fake-like, envious energies. And those same energies are triggered by your independence and by your rebelliousness as well. You have people, and this doesn't just have to be romantically. This is like, yes, romantic interests from the past, but this is also a lot of like family, some curses, some, but this jealous streak, something could be coming up in the future that you're gonna have to pay attention to. Jealousy with the two-faced friend may be something that pops up for you in the coming days or weeks. We have Scorpio, primal, wisdom, moving in silence, Neptune, Pisces energy, Pluto, Scorpio energy, the elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, that will leave you wise, and the cat, a two-faced friend. It's like you've learned a lot from the energies that smile in your face and hate on you behind your back. We have Jupiter, Sagittarius energy, Capricorn, Pisces, Aries energy, the outsider, wisdom, money, cycle, astrological, the jug, the tulip, lighthearted, carefree time with great passion. Some of y'all could be planning a getaway. You could be setting money aside for this getaway, but this is also watching people who worked by themselves for themselves to make money moves and have really hurt themselves moving based off of money. For my feminines watching, this is like big energy of masculines moving off of successful feminines. For my masculines watching, this is big energy of y'all seeing hella gold diggers around. But it's very strange to see this masculine gold digger energy here. It's like a breath of fresh air to be around people who are not after your wealth or what they can get off of you or anything like that. We have Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Leo, and Pisces. Prey, stalked, invaded, and watched. Caution. Then we have fake. Bloom and blossom, Virgo, Scorpio. Dogs, the table, and bird flying, news is on the way. You could get news about people that maybe you used to be friends with in the past, or somebody that maybe you used to work with in the past. You could get news in the future about how fake and two-faced this person still really is. You could have been maybe started to give them the benefit of a doubt again, Gemini energy. You could be finding out this week or in the coming weeks why you should have stuck to your gut about this feeling, about your feelings about this person. This person is not a good person behind your back, and it could be a close friend or a close co-worker. Then we have the valley and the four-leaf clover, a deep personal strength and peace that assures success with good fortune. Your money and spirituality like on the uprise. That's really great to see. I want to get a couple of these. It's coming in this week for Scorpio. Somebody that you care about deeply as well could find out that they have people around them that are very two-faced. We have inspiration, the salamander, and black pepper. Yeah, the very people that are jealous and envious of you, they're inspired by you as well. The horse and bluebell, modest fortitude. The elk and ash, strength. More Leo, energy. And then we have the fox and ivy, adaptability. So some kind of letter, news, possibly hearsay could be coming in, and you're going to have to adapt to it. You're going to have to be quick on your feet with whatever this is coming your way. Could have something to do with friends or work for sure. All right. Somebody, yeah, Pisces and Sagittarius energy, this has got something to do with work. Somebody could claim that maybe you're, I don't know, maybe they're made to feel like you're two-faced, but it's not right. Scorpio. Queen of Wands, feminine, Aries, Leo, Sag. The Eight of Wands. Six of Swords, reverse. Somebody could be coming through with some news that may disrupt your peace. It's also not true as well. Somebody could be communicating with a Aries, Leo, Sag, and it's causing a lot of like unrest. Not a lot of peace here. The Ace of Swords, reverse. So you could find out about a lie in the future. Queen of Swords, Three of Swords, Justice. Could have something to do with a Libra. and the Ten of Pentacles reverse. Could have something to do with work or Four of Wands reverse. So somebody's going through it over a lot of lies. And they could want to take it out on you. What's the Queen of Wands for Scorpio? Seven of Swords reverse. This is also you not tolerating lying, deceptive, tricky ass energy. Queen of Swords again. It's the Eight of Wands. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. The Eight of Swords reverse. The Five of Pentacles, Death reverse. Somebody could be going to jail. Somebody could have brought on a lot of darkness onto themselves. Could be Taurus, Scorpio energy. Somebody could have put them in their own trap. Being gluttonous. Could be seeing 999. Holy shit. The Nine of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles in a row. With the Three of Swords. Gluttony energy. Paranoia. Selfishness. Yeah. Damn, Judgment in the reverse. This person made a harsh, brash move towards you to make you feel alone, to make you feel bad, and damn, did that shit backfire. There's a lot of backfiring energy here. Got the Ten of Cups. Somebody makes a lot of not good move. This is also dealing with, there's a Queen of Wands and King of Wands, but something could have to deal with a family that's very toxic, a group that's really toxic. Somebody could maybe not be being fully honest about something. What's the Ace of Swords reverse? The Chariot reverse. Queen of Swords reverse with the Ten of Pentacles reverse. So there's some kind of crumbling. Queen of Cups reverse. King of Swords reverse. Two of Swords reverse. Holding back from family, no forward movement. Mentally unstable, feminine. Draining money. There's a greedy, gluttonous Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Money hungry. the Emperor, Four of Cups, and Judgment. Damn. Whatever this person did to try to make you feel outcasted or something. Damn. Queen of Wands with the Seven of Swords. We got the Sun in the reverse. Somebody being unhappy. So lying, cheating, stealing because they're unhappy. It's just Eight of Wands with the Four of Pentacles. The Six of Cups and the King of Pentacles. Some kind of like lie or communication that could have something to do with the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus from your past. Six of Swords, Ten of Cups. The World reverse. What the fuck? I'm telling you, somebody is stuck with like a mentally, possibly abusive feminine. What is this Ace of Swords reverse? The Chariot reverse. A lie to make sure you couldn't move forward? What is this? Five of Wands reverse. Startup drama, the Devil. A lie, like, damn, dude, you're, so coming up, you could find out about a lot of lies. A lot of shit could be, like, popping up from the past. I don't think you even care, but yeah, the Devil's always watching the angel. Always. And then there's also significance here about you being in this Temperance energy, Sagittarius energy, but having this Devil energy always watching you. It's got some kind of like trying to have some kind of hold on you. You have a lot of people that look at you as if you think you're holier than thou, is what I'm hearing, or you think you're better than. So what's coming in? Queen of Swords reverse, Ten of Pentacles reverse. Somebody lives for drama. The Lovers reverse. So with the Hierophant. So somebody going through a fucking breakup. Somebody not learning their lesson. Somebody not learning what to do. These people betraying each other. Trying to betray you. A horrible idea, gifting someone with something. Taking from you to do it, stealing, the Devil, Page of Swords again. God dang. Someone from your past really learning, well, not learning, that's the problem. It's a repetitive cycle. Some people being stuck in karma over and over and over and over again. Really beating a dead horse. What's this got to do with Scorpio? What's the outcome here? It's like an open relationship or something. The Emperor, reverse. Four of Cups, reverse. And Justice, reverse. God dang, it's like the blind stuck with the blind over here. Three of Pentacles, the Devil, Five of Swords. Yuck, man. All right, let's get... What in the world? I see why you chose to be a loner versus all this dark ass shit. The Lover's reversed with the Hierophant reversed as well. This is like possible black magic with the Devil out that much. Could be a repetitive cycle of magic, manipulation, head games. Some of y'all are healing from shit that your parents have done. Some of y'all could have like narcissistic, some of y'all sociopathic parents. Libra, Aries energy, Gemini, Taurus. All right. What's going on with Scorpio? It's coming in. Sun, Empress, Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Six of Cups, Strength, the World reverse. It's coming in. The difference between you and a lot of people is they go hanging out with the devil, they make devilish moves and do devilish things, and they get stuck to the devil. They get stuck in this devil cycle. You kick it with the devil only to learn how to defeat him in another way, in every way. Got the Five of Pentacles. Ace of Wands reverse with the Ace of Swords reverse. Somebody could be lying about who they're sleeping with or something like that. Ace of Pentacles upright, the Seven of Cups, the Tower. Some of you could be helping your family get out of poverty situations. What's the Hierophant, Lover's reverse? What is that? Three of Cups. Nine of Wands. Strength. Three of Pentacles reverse. Five of Pentacles. Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands reverse, Ace of Swords reverse. The High Priest, I'm telling you, somebody could have an addiction that they're not honest about. They lie about it. It causes them to lie. It rules them. This person could have been dealing with this since childhood. Queen of Swords, Four of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Oh, man. Alright, Queen of Swords reverse, Three of Cups. Knight of Swords. Hermit, Nine of Swords, Ace of Swords. Somebody could want to tell you something. Somebody's nervous about some kind of truth coming out. Somebody could be ill nowadays. Where's Scorpio in this? What's all that's got to do with Scorpio? What's the outcome of the Emperor? The Five of Cups. And Four of Cups. Somebody's in a lot of regret. Queen of Swords. Outcome for Scorpio. What do they need to focus on? What's coming in? What's the outcome? The Moon and the Hermit. Oh, with the Knight of Cups. So keeping things low-key, hidden. This is also, whoever these people are that made you cry a lot in the past, damn, are they crying now? You may feel like someone that you're working with is keeping secrets or is a secretive person. Could be Cancer, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio. The High Priestess, the Emperor, and Death with the Sun, the Wheel, and Seven of Cups. Yeah, you might be teaching someone about karma, spiritual cycles. What's coming in with the Moon? What is the Moon? Teaching somebody to like go within. What's the Moon? Justice, the Lovers, and the Fool. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so yeah. It's all hidden. The Moon, the Virgo, and the Knight of Cups. Keeping what you're gaining and what you're doing and this really beautiful emotional thing happening for you. It's a brand new cup, brand new cycle. But it's like keeping things hidden under wraps. It's not like y'all are doing it to each other. It's like y'all are trying to do it from the rest of the world because the Moon is justice. Like, it's almost like, it's like if one kid in the class wins something, but their prize has to be kept, you know, kind of on the down low because all the other kids will get jealous, mad, spiteful. Justice, the Lovers, and the Fool. Like, some of y'all are committing to something. There's also a Libra in your energy that is looking very foolish nowadays. They whatever that has to do with, but it could be a Gemini as well. Looking. So, fairness in something that you love very much and a brand new start. This is like a brand new outlook as well, from the Moon to that eclipse. Total eclipse of the heart, Scorpio. Wow. Let's get y'all some advice. It's almost like you and another person are relearning everything as well. Y'all could be becoming like best friends. Adaptability, right. It's almost like you don't even see anyone else. I don't think they do either, but that could be why you're being warned. These people would love nothing more than to rain on your fucking parade because they're not happy with their own lives. Advice for Scorpio. Some of y'all could be dating Pisces, Aries energy. Libra, Gemini. Endless possibilities, number 38. So a lot of inspiration this week. A merry motive. Advice for Scorpio. Opening to discover. You could have been in a period of isolation for a very long time. Great big love. I'm telling you that there's a lot of emotional fulfillment where you're going. Abundant energy. One more. It's coming in. Spirit of gratitude. I think that's what makes this number 7 very spiritual. 7, 7, and 11. A burst of magic. This is really sweet and cute. This is really sweet and cute. Endless possibilities opening. When you're open to it, it's almost like the floodgates have opened. You and another person could be planning a lot and you're extremely grateful as well. A burst of magic. Somebody could make jokes like you put a spell on them, or you could say that to them or something like that. Do something kind for someone without any expectation. Bet on yourself, take chances, reach your dreams. You've got this. Clear your mental and physical clutter. You'll feel so much better. And gratitude. Remember, it's okay to be happy. Really, it is. Bottom of the deck. You're too amazing to follow everyone else. Forge your own path. What's your inner voice been asking you? You've also got worth over here, and I think that is playing a huge role on what you have when you know what you want and what you deserve. Really, that's a beautiful, beautiful outcome. Justice, the Lovers, and the Fool. This is a great leap, even if it's, especially spiritually. Spiritually, this is what it's all about, being able to start fresh and fair and with your heart on your sleeve through these cycles. This is really beautiful. I would definitely be practicing gratitude a lot right now. Scorpio, this is beautiful for you. Okay, this is what I have. I hope it gave you some clarity, some guidance, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.